we are here to inquire on the issue of 2 speakers, 2 clerks in the County Assembly of Nyamira. And we want to live here with a solution or a way forward. So it's good to hear from the 2, so I don't know what to call Assembly A and Assembly B, what their comments are on the presentation by the Controller of Budget. That's the only way you will be able to understand the best way to have this matter resolved. Chair.
Point.
I give to Honorable Onyonka. I think let's excuse...
I just wanted, on that point, Chair, it's very critical. Before she goes, the matter that I would like this House to look at as we sit here is that she has already put it, according to her, what the law says. Yes. And my argument is, whichever arguments that you're going to bring forth and try to interrogate, I would want for her, as she's trying to respond to that, to look at just the law. Because, Chair, the feeling on this matter is so sensitive that we must try not to be biased in either way.
Like Senator.
So, Chair, I yield back.
Thank you so much, Honorable Speaker. Senator. I think the COB are hearing very well, and will still put out more requests to her.